this is 21 here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this condensed microphone here. And by the way guys, this was from recommendation of our very dear friend Afran DYC. And mega shout out to the couple Afran DYC and Afran DYC Purple. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's crack this one then. Guys, this is it. By the way guys, this is from Amazon and I got this for £29 and 99 pence. So, I am so excited. And here's another box inside. This is the real thing here, as you can see. So here's the closer look of this Vitopal compact on camera microphone, VM-I1, and I2 by the way was out, but it's £20 more. So let's just stick on this one then, shall we? So to check the pack list inside, here we go. Wow, it's a very cute, elegant dash bag. So let's put that side for the moment and check this out first. We are not going to confuse guys because all the cables has the label. So obviously this is for the camera, for your digital or DSLR. It's a very nice material. It is stretchy. It will gonna avoid tangle. They will just gonna tuck in their own because it is so compact by himself. Audio cable. This is very good guys because it is a spiral and it will just tuck in themselves and it will not gonna be tangled to one another. So the second one here is this smartphone audio cable, and this is 3.5mm TRRS. So both of them though. So it is very good, a matte finish as well, and it's not look bad for the price we paid. And this is the mic shock absorbing stand, and yes, it is really look good as well. And there's an extra in case of breakage and damage. So what else up here? It's this is the manual or the leaflet, so everything is in here. We're gonna find out, and I might gonna try to test this. And there's the Allen key here, so let's find out. So here is guys, and obviously we are going to open this pouch now. So what's inside the pouch? Oh wow, I was looking forward to have this. Ooh, the light's on. Wow. So they've got two windshield, or we call the microphone windscreen. So this one is the Deluxe windshield. Wow, Deluxe. Because it's crazy. It's really nice. I like this one. I can't wait to try this one guys. So the next one is the regular windshield or wind screen. This is just the phone one. Oh, so this. Right. So here we go. The microphone itself. The Vitapol VM-I1. It's made obviously in China, but it is I can't compare to other stuff guys because this is my first time, but I have looked some of the microphone before and it's really expensive. And because of Afran DYC guys, now I'm going to share the link down in the description box for the proper review so you can see it properly. So this is the cute thing. So let's try and check this out. Alright guys, let's check this out. Right, where's the audio for the camera. Oh, let's put the stand first. Okay, I'm scared that I'm going to scratch them. So this is the phone. And oh no! Hang on a second, guys. We're back. I forgot that we need to use this one for the I've got the 10S and I'm using the 4K 60 front camera of my iPhone 12. So let's try this on. Okay, video. Mic test, mic test, test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic. It says here, plug the 3.5mm TRRS connector into the audio jack of your smartphone Mac. Open the audio only or video recording apps and begin recording. So I go for the here to the recording. So mic testing 1 2 3 testing mic testing testing. Listen. Open. Hang on a second. I have to plug it before I'm gonna play. Doesn't come out. Here. Mic testing 1 2 3 testing mic testing testing. Wow, I will try to record without it. Mic testing testing testing. Test mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3. Mic testing testing testing. Test mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3. And let's compare the first one with the microphone on. Mic testing 1 2 3 testing mic. Wow. Testing. Let's try the video, guys. Okay, let's try video. I am not sure if I'm doing correctly. Right, video. There we go. Plug it in. Mic testing 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3. And then another one without it. Testing mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3. Guys, let's play this both. Mic 1 2 3 mic 1 2 3 test mic 1 2 3. Testing mic 1 2 3 1 2 3. Guys, every time I speak, you can see there's the microphone sign here, and it's mic testing mic 1 2 3. Now we're gonna try the video. Hang on a second. Right, guys, I'm going to testing this without the microphone attached. Right, testing mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3. And then let's try to put this on. Right, camera action. Testing mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3 testing mic 1 2 3 and cut. And now, guys, we are going to compare this to ouch, my nails. Right, this one, guys, with the microphone on. Play.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3. And cut.
And this one.
Right. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Can you hear the difference? Right. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing mic 1, 2, 3. And cut. That's it, guys. And I think we're going to check them all out and feel if it's I'm doing it correctly. So I am going to review what I have done as well. Thank you very much for staying with me. This is Species 21 again, and for those who are new and just come today, thank you very much, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for me for your notification. And also for the people who always support Species 21, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all, guys. And yes, I'm going to update you, and in my future vlog I might gonna tell you what's the difference between without and with, but I haven't used this properly yet, my camera. I am so not good taking heavy bulky ones. Yes, guys, thank you very much, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you very much. This is Species 21 signing off. Cheers. Hey guys, before we thoroughly end my video, I just like to tell you guys that this video is not sponsored by Amazon. I paid it for myself. Thank you very much again. Bye-bye.